Hi guys, Adam from Tentworld at Tweed Heads, and we've got another great addition to our range because there's exciting new product coming out all the time, but especially this time of year. And this one's great for all those people that are super weight conscious on how much they're carrying while they're out in the bush and travelling around this beautiful countryside. This is the new DuraLite range of chairs from OZtrail. Now this one's got a 32mm rectangular frame on it, and it's made out of magnesium alloy instead of an aluminium alloy. Now the good thing about magnesium alloy is it's up to 33% lighter, but it's even stronger than aluminium. So that old thing of, the weight, the heavier the chair, the stronger it is, doesn't apply to this one. It's lightweight and it's strong. Now this one only comes in at 4.9 kilos. So for a 7-position recliner, it really has trimmed it down to something that's quite easily manageable. And to make it easy to carry, it does come with its own carry bag included. Now the arms are nice and slimline, and the fabric you'll see is a beautiful black colour, and it's featured in a 420 denier ripstop soft touch fabric, so you've got durability there as well as comfort. So the old days of having to compromise between a chair that's going to be comfortable and bulky and heavy or something that was lightweight, that's ended with this range. There's 3 great chairs in the range. You'll see some other videos up on our channel soon about the other 2 models, but it's certainly worth popping down to one of our local stores and having a look. They're also available online at our website at allthews.tentworld.com.au.